Hello!
Hello.
Welcome everybody. It's our first video.
Yay.
And today we have an idea.
Yeah.
We're on quarantine right now because of the coronavirus. You scared?
Meh. So
What?
we're going to do a weird combination food challenge. So I will get a weird combination and Dad will have to eat it. He'll get a weird combination, then I'll have to eat it. And
So we're gonna see what kind of weird stuff we can get the other person to eat.
yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So, what don't you like?
I'm not gonna tell you that.
Let me see here. I think there's a lot of onions in here.
Ew, no. Oh, I just said that. Oh.
Why are you eating the food?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let me tell you what I got you. I made you a sandwich.
Oh.
Okay. Now this sandwich
Broccoli?
has
Jesus.
mild salsa,
No.
broccoli,
Ooh.
and Cheez-Its.
Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, thanks.
You gotta take a big bite.
Oh, I hate salsa. Oh.
Take a
Only
big
with
bite.
chips. Ew. I can't taste anything.
Why can't you taste anything?
Have the first one.
Take the next bite.
Ew. I think hard to chew. Ooh. Ew. You try it.
You want me to try it?
No.
Not that bad.
What? Without the broccoli, it'd be amazing, probably. Okay.
I would eat this
next.
normally, I think.
You're gross.
We're gonna have for
My
dinner.
turn. We have salsa. We have drinks, which is probably not. We have a lot of salad. We have eggs. And French toast. Okay, I'm gonna cut up some cheese. Not the other kind, no. This kind. I'm not gonna fart while I'm cutting the cheese. Some Reese's. Where should I put these? Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing, and that will be, I don't know what it'll be actually. How will I do this? This is applesauce. Okay, that's enough, and I'll eat the rest. Ugh. Oops, I have the dish. You should be scared.
What is it?
So I have French toast bread,
Okay.
salami, string cheese, applesauce, and 2 Reese cups. Here you go. Well, I gotta go, you dippa-dappa-doopa.
Should I take a big bite or a little bite?
Big bite, of course. You need to get all, this corner has all of it.
Ugh.
Well, Oh wait, it wasn't salami. It was actually this one.
Are you eating that? This is disgusting.
I know, like, I just got applesauce in my mouth. Well, that was a very gross video.
Yep. So that's just our first one. We're just kind of testing it out right now to see
Yep.
what we want to do. If you have any suggestions of
Please
things for
comment
us to
down
do,
below.
yeah, comment down below, and we'll do our best to get videos out. It's not like we have a lot to do anymore. So
No.
This
So I
might be
hope
all
you
we do.
think creative.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye.